And for this first function, we've got our parent function, y equals the absolute value of x, and we're shifting it up 7 and to the left 8 units. And so shifting up or down is straightforward. If you're going up, we're going to add 7 on the outside. But to shift to the left by 8 units, remember that's going to deal with the inside, and the inside is always the opposite of what you'd expect. So to go left, we're actually going to add 8. So we get y is the absolute value of x plus 8, and then to go up 7, we will add 7. Remember, you want to make sense of this. The x value that makes this 0 would be negative 8. And so that x value tells us we shift in the negative direction 8 units. So to find this one, this is choice letter A here. And let's do some more problems. So it looks like the function g is a translated or shifted version of our parent function f, which is in blue. And notice this corner point just went up 5 units. And since we're shifting, we know that we're not going to be doing any multiplying. We're just adding or subtracting on the inside or the outside. And since we went up 5 units, remember with going up and down, that it's straightforward. We just add to go up and subtract to go down. So this function g of x would just be your parent function, but then plus 5 for all the values. And of course you can check this, because notice if you plug in 1, you get a y value of 6. If you plug in negative 2, negative 2 put in the absolute value becomes 2 plus 5 is 7. So you can check it to make sure that your points are actually a part of this function. So for this one, we've got choice letter B, and we can do another one. So now this one, they give us the translated function. So we start with our parent function, and it's translated to g of x, where you add 9 on the inside and subtract 5 on the outside. Now we know subtraction on the outside means we're going down 5 units because the outside is straightforward. But on the inside, you want to think which x value makes this 0. And that would be negative 9. And so this tells us we're going to go to the left towards the negative direction 9 units. So to get the function g, shift f down by 5 units and to the left by 9 units. Let's do one more, where again we have the function g, which is a translated version of our parent function, which is the blue one. And notice this corner point, it went down 1 and to the right 3. So we have to go down 1 and right 3. Well, to go down, we know we're going to subtract. So g of x, we can talk about the inside in a moment, but we know we're going to go down. And to go right 3, you want to do the opposite of what you'd expect. You would expect to add to go right 3, but we want to subtract. And again, think about it. The x value that makes this 0 would be positive 3, which tells us we should shift in the positive direction 3 units. So this is the equation for g of x. So we got x minus 3 on the inside and then minus 1 on the outside.